Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear me. Ooh, that was beautiful. Happy birthday to me. It is my birthday.
Y'all need some lip gloss. Y'all mouth getting dry talking about the same thing.
So, yeah, happy birthday to me. Thank you so much. For my final installment in my little Ube journey, I'm going to... Why is my hands doing all of this? I've decided I'm going to make an Ube cake. Well, I decided ages ago, but this is the final thing. I made Ube Halaya. Ta-da. And then I attempted to make, should I say, Ube flavoured macarons. You can check that out too. And then, here we are now, on my birthday. It's so funny because this time last year, I was in Bali for my birthday. And now, this year, I'm in a panny D. So yeah, let's just get started. So, we're gonna start, don't do it, by sifting together all the dry ingredients, which is flour. Boom. Ooh, don't do that. Don't do it. Stay. Flour, baking powder, sugar and salt. I'll leave all the measurements and stuff in the description box below. Okay, so now what we're going to do is combine the wet ingredients. So check out egg yolks. Oh, not one. Cracking rude. Let's just give them a little. Our whole milk. I am lactose intolerant and I don't do milk, but we're doing it today. Olive oil, not olive oil, what's this called? Vegetable oil. Okay, so I know in the last videos I said I didn't have any Ube Extract. It was stressing me out. So I bought some Ube Extract. Just because I didn't think the macarons were Ube enough for me. Spoiler, go watch it. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is, oh my god, that smells so nice. Ooh, I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons, I think, of Ube Extract. Maybe, because I can't afford to get a tablespoon. I'm gonna dip that in, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, blue, purple. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of food colour. What's it called? What is this stuff called? Food colouring? Dye. Food, I don't have a clue. Gel into the thing. My only fear is this is actually violet, not purple, so I guess we're gonna see what happens. And then last but certainly not least, the Ube Halaya, we're gonna pop into that as well.
That's all y'all need.
I'm just gonna mix it all together. Can you see the colour it's created? I can't bother to move my camera, I'm being so lazy. I wonder if you can see it through the thing. Yeah, it's like a nice purple. Right, so this is a meringue based cake thing. So we need to make a meringue, which I should have done earlier, probably, but I didn't. And now we're here, so let's do that. So I changed my mind. Before we do that, I'm actually going to mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. This camera angle, you might be able to see the colour a bit better. So we're just going to pour the wet into the dry. Oh my gosh, it's like actually purple, y'all. I'm going to make the meringue. Well, I've never made it like this before. Well, I have, but I haven't. I've never used Cream of Tartar before, but I'm trying to copy the exact same. Did I say that I'm copying the tasty recipe? I actually don't know, but if I didn't, I'm saying it now. What am I talking about? Yeah, so you put egg whites, cream of tartar, and sugar into a bowl, and whisk it till you get something. Stiff peaks. And yes, I'm still team don't have a stand mixer. Even though I asked Santa for one, but it's okay. Yeah, I think we're done. See if I got this. Oh! It didn't fall on my head, which means we good. We see each other. We good. You fold the meringue into the cake batter to combine them well. Next question. You just put it in gently, basically. So I'm just gonna get a bit of it and fold it in. We're basically done, so you can see it's changed the colour a lot, adding the meringue, but it's nice, airy, light and fluffy. Okay, so this is where we go wrong. So I have 6-inch cake pans that I have put a horribly cut out circle of lining paper in. Parchment paper, sorry. So we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna see how much of the cake I can fit in, and we'll hopefully get something good from that. Which obviously means I'm gonna have batter left over, so I'm thinking I might make another cake, possibly. Or what I'm gonna do is use the rest of the batter to make like cupcakes or something. I don't know. I've also put cake strips on, and on this channel right here we ball on a budget, so I made these out of foil and wet kitchen roll tissue paper type of thing, which is inside the foil, and that just helps the cakes bake evenly in the oven. And I'm just gonna do that to try and get some of the bubbles out. I don't know if that's the right thing. These are now gonna go in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for like until they're ready. I have no clue how long, because they're obviously in a smaller than a 9-inch cake tin, so I don't know if that changes cooking time. So I'm gonna put them in for like 25 minutes to half an hour and see where we are. Hey, so right here I am making some brown butter cream cheese frosting thanks to this Claire Saffitz dessert person. I didn't really know the ingredients. That's a lie. I knew the ingredients. I didn't really know the measurements, so I kind of made it up a little bit. But yeah, here I'm just browning the butter, which is like the best tasting thing on the planet. Oh, look at that. Then I'm putting it in a cold ice bath. Does that make sense? There's ice in the plastic bowl, and I've put it in the glass bowl to cool it down quickly. Well, not that quickly. It took forever, like. Anyway, so now I'm whisking it up. Why am I talking about this? Oh, look at that. And what's that? Oh, that's the cream cheese. Yeah, so then I put the cream cheese in it. Philadelphia, of course. Whisked all of that together with the browned butter. And then what did I do next? I don't know. Let's just watch it together because I can't remember. Oh, there we go. I put sugar, and it was, what's that sugar called? Powdered, no? Icing sugar, oh my gosh. And you had to obviously put a tea towel over it because that had gone over and we don't want to cloud up icing sugar. I also had to add a little bit of granulated sugar in because I didn't have enough icing sugar, but it actually ended up tasting quite nice in my opinion. And that's how you made Claire Savitz's cream cheese frosting. Oh, I also put some vanilla essence in it. Oh yes. So I tried the brown butter cream cheese frosting from Claire Saffitz, dessert person. I kind of made up some of the measurements because I wasn't really sure. I shouldn't put them in a video and I don't have the book yet. But I'm going to give it a try. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. That is really nice. So it's like gorgeous. You can taste the brown butter, you can taste the sweetness, the creaminess. It's perfect. You should all give this a try. I'll leave the link to the video I saw of Claire doing it because you might be able to work it out better than I did, but I literally watched it and I was like, I'm just gonna guess. And I feel like it worked out quite well. Right, so when the cakes are done, I'm gonna assemble the cake and we can go from there, but it's taken forever because, yeah, it is. Well, it's not, it's only been 25 minutes. So these are my first two ever Ube cakes. As you can see, very flat. That is because of the whatever these are called, cake strips, and I can't believe it, I've done it. So my plan is to flip them onto this wire rack, but I've not really thought this through, not gonna lie. So we'll see what happens. Oh, have I done it? Did I do it? I don't want it to fall. Ah, that was hot. That was not the smartest idea I've had. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave them like this, let them chill, let them cool, then hopefully I'll be able to take them off of out of the pans, and I'm gonna chuck them in the freezer to firm up so then it'll be easier to ice and cut and all of that stuff. And I've just taken this one out of the freezer, and I'm just gonna break it to pieces basically. Look at that purple. I don't know if you can see, but it's gorgeous.
Can I get a wow? Wow! Can I get another wow? Wow! Give me another one. Wow! Call the ambulance. Wow!
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in a food processor. We'll be using this cake bits to decorate the side and top of the cake. Okay, so this is where I always suck. So when it comes to decorating cakes, I can't do it. So it's going to be good to see how far we get with this. Okay. And now we just cover it in cake bits. So, after all of this, this is my Ube cake. Let's just hope it tastes nicer than it looks. Looking in the in the monitor, it doesn't look as nice on camera as it does in real life, and that's not even me trying to like big myself up. Like, it looks better in real life, but that doesn't mean it looks good.
Well, she tried. At least, you know, she...
As you can see, I'm wearing a different outfit because it's a different day, and that's because this stressed me out so much, but this is the final cake. As you can tell, I need a little bit of help when it comes to decorating, but I don't think it's that bad. I added some Ube macarons on top with some of the cream cheese underneath, and then I sprinkled over some like a little glaze that I made. Icing sugar, water and butter, and Ube Halaya and Ube Extract. Yeah, so let's cut it. So I was always told if you warm up a knife, it cuts the cake better. So let's... Ooh! Maybe I warmed that one up too much. I might have just cooked the cake. Never mind, cut the cake. Oh gosh. Look at all that purple!
Look at all those chickens!
So So this is what the final slices look like. Nice purple layers, cream cheese in the middle, the crumb on the outside. I feel like I might have smashed it, at least looks wise. It might taste nasty. Let's give it a taste. I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I know I made it. So I'm probably biased, but this is gorgeous. I think it's a good shout to make the browned butter cream cheese frosting instead of just a plain cream cheese frosting, because it just gives it that extra kick, that extra flavour. Thanks for watching, guys, on my little birthday baking journey. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. At the age of 26. Oh. I'm getting so old. Yeah, I hope you found this entertaining, interesting, or educational, or some. Or just, I don't know, wasted some time whilst you were bored waiting for your delivery or Uber Eats or something to arrive. Like, I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. I really want to make an Ube cheesecake now. It just came to my mind. Oh my god. Maybe that'll be something I do eventually. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.